hold on.
Y'all don't say nothing.
What is up?
We gotta start over.
Oh, hold on. Okay, wait. Let's just give him a moment of silence.
Ready?
Yes.
All right, y'all. It is Tamika
and City
from Sister Saving You Cents, and welcome back, Sense Savers.
Welcome back, y'all.
Today we are going to talk about field agent, guys.
Yeah, so
we are
so excited about this opportunity. So Field Agent has partnered with us and sponsored this video, and we're just grateful that they are supporting our channel and helping us grow.
Yes.
So guys, we want you to show them all the love as they showed us love.
Yep. And we're gonna teach you how to make some cold hard cash.
Cold hard cash. I just have to let y'all know that's a snippet from a couple years ago when I used to play bingo. We used to win that cold hard cash.
Yeah, I don't know nothing about this bingo.
The point is, no, this is when I lived in Charlotte, y'all. That's a time. That's a story time for another time. But the point is, guys, Field Agent is an app that allows you to make money, okay? So it's small jobs, small surveys, audits, mystery shops, and things like that that gives you the opportunity.
That's also it is that take it home and tell it.
Yes, the buy and try. If you guys are familiar, or if you guys have ever shopped at Harris Teeter, that's one of the things that we used to do is, what is it called? Taste and Tell.
Taste and Tales, and they did buy and try.
Yeah, so this is very similar. So we're going to kind of walk you guys through everything that we know about Field Agent, what we feel like you guys need to know, and then we're going to take you to the store with us as we figure out how to navigate through this app. Recently, it's kind of been reintroduced into the couponing world with being able to get your hauls for free. So that's one of the things that we're like, yes, that's perfect for our channel, perfect for our audience.
And let y'all know. And if you already know, tell a friend, okay?
Tell a friend.
All right, y'all.
So we're going to jump right into this. Bear with us. Y'all know we silly. So we still want to make sure y'all are entertained, but we want to make sure you're educated.
Boom. Understand. All right, y'all.
All right, so let's just keep on going.
Okay, guys, so what you need to know about Field Agent. Field Agent is an app that can be downloaded using the link below, down in that description box.
Yes,
Field Agent is safe and easy to use. Field agent jobs are jobs vary by location, so it depends on where you live, guys. So if you live like over here in Kernersville, North Carolina, where we are, it's a little different than going over to
like
New York
city.
Okay, so you may have more jobs available in New York than you have in a small town, but you take them as they come, and they go quick, y'all.
Yes,
okay, especially now they go really fast. So if you're interested, you got to click that button and
claim your job, okay? Because everybody about these side hustles nowadays.
Everybody's trying to get these coins. Field Agent sends money straight to your bank account, and it usually takes 24 to 48 hours. So that's what you need to know.
Yes, in my experience. But in my experience,
no, I don't know what experience is.
I know, I'm sorry,
experience, y'all. Okay?
Yes, okay.
Now, Agent Briefcase. This is one thing you need to know. Agent Briefcase is the first thing you need to do when you go into this app. It tells you what to do, how to complete your job, and in each type of job.
Yes.
The more jobs you complete, the more jobs become available.
Yes.
So if you hustle it up, you get more.
Yes.
Right, Cindy?
Absolutely.
Okay. Now, they do have a part that's called ticket jobs. These ticket jobs do not count for money, but they count for tickets. You complete the ticket jobs, and they go into a giveaway.
Yep.
So
I think it's like
simple
the more
surveys usually. Yeah.
The more tickets you do, the higher the pot is that you could get entered into. I think right now I've done 3, and it's at $200 or something like that. But super easy.
Yeah.
Definitely complete them, because the more you know, the more it unlocks.
Yep.
If y'all got questions, raise your hand in the comment box below.
She said raise your hands, not your hands, Cindy.
All right, sorry.
Okay, guys, so there are several jobs that they have in the Field Agent app. One of them is the mystery shop. So that's when you would go in and you would find an item, right, Cindy? Yeah.
So basically, with the mystery shops, you're going in and it's not always finding items, but you're more so like, let's say right now they have some available at Applebee's, guys, and I can pop this up on the screen and let you see it. So what you're doing is you're going into the Applebee's, and they want you to do the Impossible Burger. So they basically want to order the burger.
Go ahead and order that thing.
And then you're going to try the burger, and then you're going to ask questions, take pictures, things like that.
And you got to make sure you read the details of every situation. That way you know exactly what you need to do. Okay?
Yes, so that's one of the things that they offer is mystery shops.
Yep.
So I have not completed a mystery shop quite yet, because y'all might not remember, but I'm allergic to the Impossible Burgers, so I can't do it. So that's unfortunate.
So that is impossible for her.
Yes.
All right.
So one of the next things is the scavenger hunt. These are things that you're going into the store and it may not necessarily be that location, and you're looking for a specific barcode. Like maybe they send you to go look for the Fruity Pebbles cereal. But these are not easy things. They have said time and time again in the app, these are some of the hardest jobs that they have on their apps.
Yeah, so this is when you get to pro level of field agent, okay?
Pro level field agent. You're going in, you're looking for a specific UPC. You're actually trying to match it to that SKU or UPC number.
Yeah.
So I'll show you guys the example of like what it looks like in the app. But y'all, those are hard. I've never been able to find any of the things.
So that's not one,
but,
you know, once you get to the pro level, you go ahead and graduate on over that.
Yeah, if you good at scavenger hunts, take a shot at it.
Oh, and if you like a challenge, that's definitely for you.
Boom, shaka boom.
All right.
Okay, here's the next thing that we're going to be talking about, which is a buy and try job. So I personally got to complete a buy and try. You guys will see that and me kind of struggling, but we got it done.
Got it done.
So this is what a buy and try is. You go to the store and you purchase the item and you try it all in the same day. Typically, these are about 12 hours, y'all. I had 12 hours to complete my buy and try. So you go, you buy it, and you try it same day, okay? And then you take a few pictures and you ask and they ask you a few questions in the app as well. But it's super, super simple. They are very simple questions. It's your personal opinion. There is no right or wrong answer.
Say what you feel. Right.
I like that. Say what you feel.
What you feel.
Yes. So one of the things that we need to let you know is that right now they have tons of buy and tries across the country, y'all. So they have buy and tries for what
beer,
is it?
wine, and seltzers. Now we are in North Carolina, so North Carolina, we can't do it.
Like alcoholic, like liquor beverages.
Yeah, we
basically.
can't do that here because of our laws. But everywhere else that allows it, they have a lot going on.
Yes, guys.
So a lot of opportunities. If you want to try this new products, definitely keep your eye out on the app to make sure that if you see something you're ready to try, go ahead and get that get them coins back.
So.
Okay?
And also, one thing that you need to know, when you're looking at your details when you select to do a buy and try, and there's lots of different varieties, y'all. So there's ones where you go to the store. There's ones where they want you to do an online pickup order or like Instacart. Just make sure you're reading the details and you're okay and you fully understand before you accept the job.
Most definitely.
Okay? With these, some of them give you back 100% of everything that you buy and try. Some of them, it's anywhere from 50 to 90%. So please keep that in mind,
Make
y'all.
sure you read them tiny details.
All the details. It's super important.
Yep.
I felt like there was something I need to tell y'all, but now I can't remember. I've completely went blank. But I feel like we've given you all the details that you need to be successful in your buy and tries.
Yeah.
Okay? Like I said before, if y'all have any questions, raise your hand in the comment box down below.
Yeah, and make sure you sign up down in that link
And
box.
don't forget to click on that link.
Yes, y'all.
And show that link some love.
Oh,
okay, guys.
We are at Publix, y'all. We're going to complete this field agent offer, y'all.
Yes. We got an audit that we're about to do, and we're just going to walk you through step by step how to get that thing done.
Yep.
Y'all know we'll be coming to Publix a lot. We in the parking lot, folks.
We in the parking lot.
We in the parking deck. I like the little cover. Anyways, let me not get distracted. We're about to head in, do this beer audit. It's a super easy audit, guys. A couple questions, couple photos. Let's go do this.
All
right. So listen. Yes.
Looking for this. What's it called?
It's called Vezashura is the brand that we're technically looking for this job, guys. However, we're in the cold beer section. It says that it would be located in the cooler, but they don't have it.
Any of them.
So what we're going to do is walk you through the steps of what's going to take place if you don't have that.
Or if you go to the store and they don't have the product available.
And it's not here.
Or if they don't even have a hole for it. Like here, they don't have it available or a hole.
No, guys.
So it's not in here. So let's just get
through these steps. All right, y'all?
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is we got in the store.
Yep.
It told us what to look for. So this is what we're looking for.
Yes.
Okay? They don't have any.
None.
So we're going to click the next button.
Yep.
Okay? Now it says take a closer look, see examples of each flavor. Well, we did, and they don't have any of them, guys. Okay, so we clicked there's none of the 6-packs available in the cooler, and we're going to click the next button.
Yes.
Now we have to go take a photo of the entire beer cooler as much as we can. So we're going to go do that.
We're going to try, but guys, let me give you a peek. This is a very large beer cooler. Maybe one of the biggest that we have ever seen. Do you see this? That's just a small pan because there are some people in here. We're going to keep their faces protected. But that's the next step. So go ahead and press the camera button, and then we'll probably do a horizontal picture just so that we can try to get the biggest.
Can we do more than
I think we can actually do more than one, Tamika. Yeah, we might can. Sometimes it'll ask you to do more than one picture. Sometimes it'll just accept one. So we'll click on use photo. If it asks for more than one.
Okay.
No, it just said alternate. So we should be good.
Okay. And then we're going to hit the next button.
And then, so now it's asking, next up, locate the end caps.
Okay, so
where
we're
the
gonna,
six pikes.
not a
might
six
be.
pike.
6 pikes.
Maybe.
Maybe, guys.
So let's go see if we can find the end cap.
Yeah,
first.
we're gonna go look for an end cap. We won't record that, but we'll be back once we find one. Okay, guys, so here's a quick update.
So the next thing they asked us to do is find an end cap. We don't have one.
No.
In this store. So what we're gonna do is hit no, there is no end cap.
Yep.
And go on to the next question. Oh, I skipped. Hold on.
She gotta go back. We didn't skip the question, guys, on accident. There we go. Scroll all the way down.
So all the way down, because that would not be an end cap. So
and
we
then click this one.
there is no end cap with the product on it, which is at Sarah. Bummer, no end cap display. Please take one photo caption as many end cap displays as possible. Okay. So this would be the one that we found. So we're gonna do this one because it's on the beer side, guys. Y'all keep hitting skip. I'm gonna need to stop doing that.
Hit the camera.
Okay, and we're gonna take a picture of this.
Yep.
Okay, and we're gonna use that photo.
Yep.
And then we're gonna go
to the next.
Okay.
Any additional information that we would like to offer field agent with this experience?
And you can put your comments in there. And then also, guys, if you get out to the store like we did today and it's not available, they're going to pay you for your time.
Yes.
So either way, you'll get paid for your doing the same thing you would, the same amount of money as you would if the product was available.
Absolutely.
So that's what's fantastic. So you're never going to be out of money.
No, guys. Okay. And also, I do want to add that it was a point in time in the selection that it asked us to ask an associate. So I just asked an associate. They looked to see if it was in their system, and this was not actually in their system.
So
guys.
We know they do not have it.
So we know that they don't actually have it. All right, y'all. So we're going to proceed, and then we'll just go from there. So here's the first step. When you go into the app to do your buy and try, you're walking into the location and you're trying to locate the product, so that's the first step. Once you locate the product, they give you specific barcodes. So I don't know if you can see this, but there's specific barcodes, guys. So we're matching those up. We were able to find the bright and clean, so we put that one in the buggy, and then we're gonna we're gonna click the next button, but it actually shows you pictures as well. So once we found it, we got it, it's in the buggy. Now we're going to move on to the next steps, okay? The next question is step 3, and it says, is the product available for purchase? It is, so we're gonna select yes. It says, how easy was it for you to find the requested product? It was not that easy, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, because the area is not fully stocked, but we did find one of them. Once we found the barcode, we were all good to go. So we're gonna put very easy. Was the product located where you expected? Yes, because it's on the detergent aisle, y'all. And then we have to take pictures, which is step 6, which I'm gonna show you on the screen recording that I have on my phone. All right, y'all? Okay, guys, so we are checking out the Purex. Don't forget to hold on to your receipt because you'll need to take a picture of that. Once we finish taking the picture of our receipt, I'm gonna head home and start that load of laundry because that does have to be completed. Once you complete your load of laundry, it's gonna prompt you to mark out the barcode, and you're going to be taking a picture. So this is very important. You have to cross this barcode out and then take a picture, as you can see, with the product top off. And guys, after you complete this, you'll just have a few more questions and you'll be all done. Okay, guys. This is the last thing that we wanted to tell you about how you can incorporate Field Agent into your coupon hauls.
Yes.
So, you know, when you're rolling into Walmart every single week, the easiest thing to do is select the store that you're going to. So if you're going to Publix, Harris Teeter, Walmart, etc., select the location that you're going to go coupon at. And then whether you're doing an audit or a buy and try, guys, take that. You're going to always make money when you're doing a field agent job, and that helps you cover the cost of all of your hauls. So if you're struggling and you may not have all the money that you need to get your coupon hauls, we know it's hard out there in these streets.
Yes, so go ahead and field agent it so you can go ahead and make these coins. See what I'm saying?
It's easy peasy lemon squeezy.
That's it.
So that's what we wanted to let you guys know. Listen, y'all, if you enjoyed this video,
please like, share, and subscribe. Let us know, have you used Field Agent? Let us know down in the comments. How do you like it? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching.
And don't forget to click the link down below to sign up, guys. Don't forget to click that link. It means the world to us. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.